What's the meaning of baggage car? Baggage car. Baggage car.
Baggage car. Baggage car. A baggage car is a type of railroad car specifically designed for the transport of passenger luggage and other cargo. The term baggage refers to any type of luggage or personal items that a passenger may bring with them on a train journey. Baggage cars often feature ample storage space, with various shelves, compartments, and overhead racks to accommodate large or bulky items. Some baggage cars may also contain special areas for the transport of delicate or valuable cargo, such as musical instruments or artwork. Overall, baggage cars play an important role in ensuring that passengers are able to travel comfortably and conveniently with all their necessary belongings.